sini bermula mengenal dunia bersama guru tercinta.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Sorry for calling you to attend this emergency meeting. I'm SYAFIQAH ARDILLA Binti Ahmad KAMAL, and as you know, I am the principal of this school.
I'm FARZANA binti R.FAUZI. I am a mathematics teacher at SK Bintara.
Hi and good morning everyone. I am teacher Afiqah as a teacher in science subject at Sekolah KAMAL Bintara.
Hi, I am teacher HAZWANI as a history teacher at SK Bintara.
So today, at this meeting, I want us to discuss about research that I have done. For the purpose of a favorite subject among a student, a survey of 1,500 students is conducted in this school. The result shows that 55% like studying science, 42% like studying history, and 61% like studying mathematics. In addition, 23% like studying science and history both, 26% like studying history and mathematics both, and 33% like studying science and mathematics both. 10% like studying none of these school subjects.
How can we know how many students will like the subject?
I think the best way to identify the number of students would like the subject is using Venn diagram.
What is Venn diagram, teacher Ardilla?
A Venn diagram is a diagram that shows the logical relationship between two or more sets of logic, which is grouping item, and help us solve example based on this set. A Venn diagram typically uses intersecting and non-intersecting circle, although other closed figure like square may be used to denote the relationship between sets. Venn diagrams are frequently used to illustrate how elements are related and different. Even though Venn diagrams with 2 or 3 circles are the most common, there are also many diagrams with more circles, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They theoretically have an infinite number of circles.
Oh, I see. Let me summarize the situation presented by the principal so that as a teacher can better understand. Based on the situation presented by the principal, we will use the Venn diagram method to survey 1,500 students. From this situation, I can conclude that the number of students who like science is 55%, the number of students who like history is 42%, and the number of students who like mathematics is 61%. Students who like science and history were 23%, students who like history and mathematics were 26%, and students who like science and mathematics were 33%. Not only that, students who did not like all 3 subjects were 10%.
Let's draw a rectangle for the universal set and start filling this. Let's see what we have. We're gonna have 3 circles, one for set S, one for set M, and one for set H. Firstly, we know that the number of students who wouldn't like all the 3 subjects is 10%. So, we write 10% outside the circles. Next, we need to find each part of this. First, for this middle part, show that the number of students who like all the 3 subjects. But we don't even know, just let this as X. We know that M intersect S is 33%. So, if we want to find this part only, just minus with X. And it would be 33% minus X. Same like this, just minus with X. And we get 23% minus X and also 26% minus X. After that, we need to find the number of students like only science subject, math subjects, and history subject. From the previous, we get the information which is the total number of students who like a subject is 55%. So, if we want to find only S, just minus to all these parts. Same like math subject, we know the total number of students who like math subject is 61%. And the total number of students who like the history subject is 42%. So just minus, so we get this part.
for teacher Ardillah question about how many students like studying all the 3 school subjects, I can say that there is 210 students who like all the 3 school subjects. I find it by using the Venn diagram method that teacher Ardillah had explained before. In the information, there is 10% of the students who did not like studying any of the subjects given. So we can say that there is 90% of the students like studying the subjects given. If we want to find the students that like to study all the 3 subjects, first we need to do addition method. Add the students who like science, which is 55%, with the students who like history, which is 42%, and the students who like mathematics, which is 61%. Next, subtract the addition total that you get with the students who like studying science and history, which is 23%, and then subtract with the students who like studying science and history, which is 26%, and subtract with the students who like studying science and mathematics, which is 33%. Lastly, subtract 90% with the answer that you get, which is 76%. You will see that the last answer you get is 14%, which means that there is 14% students like studying all the 3 school subjects. 14% students is equal to 210 students. 14% times by 1,500.
Okay, now we need to find the number of students who like studying only one of the school subjects.
The number of students who only like to study science, mathematics and history classes at SK Bitara can be determined by counting those students. We will tally everything up after we have the total of each student that like the subject. Since the total of students did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, to find science only, I conclude 50% minus total of science intersect mathematics, which is 30%, minus did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, minus 40%, minus total of science intersect history, which is 23%, minus total did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, and I get 30% for science only. To find mathematics only, I conclude 61% minus total of science intersect mathematics, which is 33%, minus total did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, minus 40%, minus total of science intersect mathematics, which is 36%, minus total did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, and I get 60% for mathematics only. To find history only, I conclude 42% minus total of science intersect history, which is 23%, minus total did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, minus 40%, minus total of science intersect mathematics, which is 26%, minus total did not like these 3 subjects is 40%, and I get 7% for history only. So, we sum the total of science only, mathematics only and history only, which is 30% plus 60% plus 7%, and I get 36% of 1,500 students. So, total number of students who like studying only one of the school subjects, which are 540 students.
Lastly, who can tell me the number of students who like studying at least 2 of the given subjects?
We need to find the number of students S intersect H plus H intersect M plus S intersect M and plus S intersect H intersect M, and we get the final answer is 810 students.
As we can see, only 14% students like studying all the 3 school subjects. 36% students like studying only one of the school subjects, and 54% students like studying at least 2 of the given subjects.
From this forum, I gain new knowledge that the Venn diagram method can be applied in daily life.
Oh, now I know the uses of Venn diagram.
Wow, thank you everyone for explaining to me about what is Venn diagram. a lot of new knowledge I had get from our meeting today.
Okay, I guess that's it for the meeting this time. I'm sorry if anything is lacking and wrong from this meeting. I would like to thank you for attending this meeting.